I hereby invite you to make a painting in the style of the Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. To help you get started, I will show you some characteristics of his artwork and explain all the details for this joint painting activity. In case you're new to my channel, whatever level your painting skills are at, just hop on board and have fun. Just after this. Hi there, my name is Albert van der Zwart. Welcome to Imperfect Paintings, where it's all about improving your painting skills by looking at art yourself and the world around you. The Dutch artist Piet Mondrian, who lived from 1872 until 1944, is known for paintings like these. Black lines, planes and some color here and there. So I take this painting by Piet Mondrian, one of my favorites, and shake it up. You can try to recreate the original or start to play with the pieces to create your own Mondrian-like artwork. A little background. Piet Mondrian was one of the members of the Stijl, a Dutch art movement founded in 1917. Just a few years earlier, abstract art and cubism were coming up. The Stijl, Dutch for style in English, wanted to create a timeless art that everybody could understand and had to radiate harmony and tranquility. I like the idea that their art also can be seen as a counterpart to the atrocities of the World War I back then. At the moment the world is in turmoil again, this time because the COVID virus. I guess his art can be relevant again to bring harmony and tranquility. This painting, with blue tones by Mondrian, is from the period before he joined the Stijl. You can see he is working towards the ones he later became famous for. Just as this one, where he used only very faded colors and dissolving lines closer to the edges of the canvas. The rules of the Stijl art movement are horizontal and vertical straight lines, squares and rectangles, a strong asymmetricity, primary colors red, blue and yellow, and black and white. After becoming a member of the Stijl, Piet Mondrian showed us there is still a lot of room to play within these parameters. You can, for instance, look at the number of colored planes. 3 times yellow, 2 times black, 1 blue and 2 times red. But most of these lighter planes are actually grey, and only this one and these 3 are white. And did you already see that of all these black lines, only this one touches the border of the canvas? In this one you can see he used a lot of lines and only a little bit of color. Look at this little blue piece, it's not enclosed by black lines. In this one, this red piece seems to be placed over the black lines. Here he doesn't even use the primary colors, but only black and white. He was clearly playing with his composition and the balance using wide and narrow black lines. This time he's playing with parallel lines. And in this one he didn't use color planes, or only white ones, but colored lines. In case you want to study more Piet Mondrian artwork, I would like to point you to this website, the catalogue raisonné of his artwork, link in the description below. Over to you and your creativity. Make a Mondrian-like painting using your preferred art tools. By all means go beyond the strict rules of the Stijl. Play with them, give them a wink and laugh about them. Every time you think, but this is not allowed in a Mondrian painting, question your limiting beliefs. Perhaps it helps to look at the art of Leon Polk Smith, link up here. He made a number of homages to Mondrian. This time painting is about having fun and your creativity. Be you. Make it look like it's made by you and be proud of it. And submit it. Or several, in case you get hooked. Please send them in before December 6, 2020. You can find my email address and all the other info in the description below the video. In my video of December 13, 2020, I will show you how I paint like Piet Mondrian and will show all your submitted artworks. Here's a clip of my previous invitation to paint about the art of Robert and Sonia Delaunay. Jeanette used this window and the pattern of the bolero of her daughter to create her Delaunay-inspired painting. These pictures show her process. I show it all again because I forgot to show her final version and hopefully make up for it in this way. I would like to put your first name and the country you live in next to your painting. Put them also in the email. Because I can't see what's going on in your mind while painting, please send me a line or two about what you experienced while painting. At one of my previous painting courses, we played with collage in the line of Piet Mondrian art. Here's some pictures of what was made. So next to painting, collage also can be an interesting way to work. In case you accept my new invitation to paint and create your own Piet Mondrian-like artwork, please remember to email your submission before December 6, 2020. I'm already looking forward to receiving them. I wish you all the best, stay safe and happy painting!